Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Let's see if I can get it undone here. At least get a hole. And it's kind of a small bag because they bent the things in half that are in the bag. But they're cross-stitched, so it's not going to hurt anything. Get rid of the bag. All right. They'll just undo. All right. This bag comes from PaintSomeWay. And if they have any discount codes or specials, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's start with one of these. Whoops, sorry about that. Some days there's just no room. One of these smaller kits. Of course, it's a Joy Sunday kit and comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. I'm putting my scissors away because stuff happens. So this is the first review of the new year. So let's get it out of the bag. We're going. Hang in there. Ah, goodness gracious. For something so small, it took forever. But isn't that pretty? Just look at all those beautiful colors. Gorgeous. It's called Berries 3. And it was $2.99, and it's 17 by 15 centimeters. And yes, there's going to be some back stitching. But yeah, I just liked all the colors. I just thought it was interesting. Does come with 2 sets of numbers. The top set goes to the paper pattern. Bottom set goes to the canvas. And I don't know what happened here, but it doesn't say how many stitches it is, but it's all on one thing. Nice big paper pattern. Let's see, it has a total of 38 colors. You have 34 in full cross stitch, 3 colors in half cross stitch, 1 in French knot, and 2 in back stitch. So it does have 310 black. It also has 154, which is a mulberry. No 939. We're using B5200 for the white. So I don't know any of those other colors. How weird. Well, let's take a look at those gorgeous colors. Now it does come on the good thread card with all the information and 2 needles. Let me just separate that. A nice, easy project. Look at those teals and peacock blues. There's your 310 black, so there's not much of it. And, oh, we do have 939 and 823. It must have been somewhere else on the thing. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Rose-colored, pink colors, green colors, grays, blues. I don't see a lot of, no purples. So mostly blues instead of purples. Everybody's a little bent out of shape here today. All right. Let's see what the canvas looks like. It is 70 by 56 stitches. And it fits this way. Nice little key that runs along there. It's very minute, but you do have it on the paper pattern, so very nice and very well printed. I love it. So it's just postage stamp stuff, you know. These are snack size. It is serged all the way around. It is 6 3/4 inches across, or a little over 17 centimeters. By 6 inches or 15 centimeters. The actual picture size is 4 inches or a little over 10 centimeters by 5 inches, or a little over 12.5 centimeters. So it's a little under 4 by 6, or a little over. Was that over? Yeah, it's a little under 4 by 6. And it is a partial, so very nice. I do like that. Oops. I don't want that one yet. Hang on. All right. Let's take this one. It's a step up from the other. See if I can get it out of its bag easily. All right. And this one is called Succulent House. Isn't that pretty? 28 by 34, 14 count. And it was $5.99, and it is a partial as well. I just liked all the blues and the teals and the yellows and the brown. It's got everything going for it. Just loved it. And it's going to have some back stitching. You know, I don't think we're going to ever get away from that. It is 117 by 147. It has 30 colors. So you have 30 colors in full stitch, 2 in French knot, and 3 in back stitch. 2 sets of numbers, paper pattern, and this goes to the canvas. They're using 3799 for the dark color instead of 310 black. I don't see any colors I know other than that. And B52, did I say that? B5200 for the white. So very nice. And it's all on one page. You just gotta, whoops, everything's going haywire today. Time to clean the desk off. Holy cow. So you have the top part of the house. So the back stitching is kind of just on this curtain, maybe a little bit on the roof, a little around the windows, and then a little around those hearts. Whoop, of course I have it upside down. But down here, you know, you got a little bit more around the succulents. I believe those are cactus of some kind. Or, I don't know. Is there a difference between succulents and cactus? If you know, put it in the description, down in the comment section. So very nice. And nominal back, or French knots, there's 2, 4, 6, 7. So about 14 French knots. They're just in the yellow flowers. I don't see them anyplace else. So yeah, cool. Let's take a look at the colors. Gorgeous colors. This comes on a regular thread card this time with 2 needles. There's that 3799 and B5200. I'm assuming that's 3865. Yep, 3865 is the other white, but you really can't tell too much. One's kind of got a tan glow to it, and white is white. So very nice, beautiful colors. Blues, greens, pinks, and no purple again. This is kind of a purpley blue, but yeah, it's not purple. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. All right. And like I said, it's a partial. And it is serged all the way around. I was just cutting a little piece that stuck to my finger. So not a lot of back or cross stitch. The devil will be in the back stitch, but nice, big, huge key, easy to read numbers. You've got your full cross all the way around, the sides, French knots, and your back stitch going up the side. So and it's a lightweight canvas. Some of them are really thick when they're small, but that one isn't. It's nice and light. So let's see, 14 inches or 35.5 centimeters by a little over 11.25 inches or a little over 28.5 centimeters. The actual picture size is almost 8.5 or a little under 21.5 centimeters by 10.5 inches or 26.5 centimeters. But very nicely done, just beautifully printed. It's going to have some confetti, not going to lie. Let me look down here. Yeah, there's some confetti here and there, but there's other things that are consistent, you know, I mean, so you can see all the details. So, yeah, not too bad at all. Could be worse. Oh my goodness, and has it ever been worse? Let me get this bent down a little bit. All right, this one is 48 by 48. We're increasing sizes gradually here. And it was $8.99. So let me see if I can get this puppy. These bigger ones, they're just a pain to get out of there. Sometimes I have to go and get me a new, you know, one of my plastic zip bags. Isn't that cat gorgeous? It says the fluffy oil painted cat. Evidently they couldn't figure out a name. But I just love it. It's wispy. It's kind of water. Well, it says oil painting, but it looks more like a watercolor to me. But yeah, I thought it was beautiful. And it is a partial as well. And 35. Now, I wrote 48 by 48. This says 35 by 43. I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. And there's going to be back stitching in the cat, but most of it's in the fur there and the whiskers. So it's nominal compared to some of the others that I've had. It's 155 by 195. We have 2 sets of numbers, top to the paper pattern, bottom to the canvas. You have a total of 40 colors. So it has 39 colors in full stitch, 1 in French knot, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14 colors in half cross stitch, and 3 in back stitch. So not bad. We have 310 black. We have some grays in this. So like 413, 14, and 415, if I could just talk. And the darkest color being the 310 black. No 939. We have 3799, which is that pewter color. 3865 and 66, but no B5200 for the white. So very nice. Very nice. I don't think this will be a problem. And the background of this is all half cross stitch, but very nice pattern. And the French knot is in the cat's eye. Can you see that little round J there? So yeah, I'm pleased about that. I don't see it now. There's no other French knot, so you only have to make 1 French knot. But like I said, all of that is half cross stitch. Yay! Thrilling. I am beyond words. I love that part where you don't have to do full cross on the whole background. Does come on 2 thread cards. It's a regular thread card with 2 needles. There is your 3799. Got kind of a muted red violet. I don't know how else to explain that. And pink, a little bit of purple this time, but no 550 purple. You know I love me some 550 purple. Oh my goodness. But mostly tans and browns and golds. A little bit of green. in there. I don't know how that all figures in, but here's all, oops, here's all your grays, your gray tones for the cat. A little more green, but yeah, and a little gold. Maybe that's in the background. So very nice. I do like this. I think it is beautiful. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. Partial. Nice, big, huge key. You can see all the numbers, all the symbols. I'm just going to fold this in half so that I can bring this up. But very, very nicely printed. Very easy to see everything. So you could take one whole day and just do the half cross stitch around the back. But it doesn't look real confetti. They're more in lines and rivers. Can you tell that? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's give this a measure. I'm going to have to go sideways. Did I tell you it was 155 by 195? I don't know if I told you that already. Let's see here. It is 45 centimeters or 17 3/4 inches by a little over 35.5 centimeters or a little over 14 inches. Actual picture is 11 1/4 inches or 28.5 centimeters by 14 inches. Oh, almost 14. I mean, it's just a hair's breadth. Or 35.5 centimeters. And I think we're going to start this one this afternoon because I just really like this. It's beautiful. Just a beautiful canvas, and I'm thrilled that it's not overly confettied. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, PaintSomeWay has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have great prices, a great selection. There is always something for everybody. So do check them out. I'm not sure what sales are running at this point because we're at the beginning of a new year. So do check them out. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for these gorgeous kits. I love them all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.